Okay. So I just want to introduce what we are going to do next and how will we do it. I only have 3 slides. Let me share my screen. Yep. So our topic, like this series learning is about Python for data science. And how we will teach it, we will. So yes, last time I introduced you the Jupyter Notebook, and then usually when people teach Python, for all the coding language, the first code people use to write is hello world, which I don't think it make any sense for me, at least when I learned, because it makes me feel like, what is this? Oh, but that actually has a lot of well, input output. We can discuss that. But what we're going to do is we're going to follow in the data science curriculum from the Stanford last time I showed you. And we are trying to just write some codes and solving problem. And then we will learn some basics. I found some very good material to learn basics, like the basic grammar of Python, and to more learning about problem solving. And we can certainly use ChatGPT for troubleshooting. And then we also use, as I showed you last time, we did compare the analysis from Excel and the Python, where you didn't see any advantage of Python, but actually Python is a very good language to analyze the textual data, means analyze the not just table in data in the Excel sheet, but more if I have a paragraph or have multiple articles, Python can do a lot of things, like extracting information or manipulate with the strings. There are other analytic softwares, open softwares such as R, SAS. SAS is not open. SPSS, where you can do numerically statistic based analysis, but they also add in some machine learning packages in there, so you can do some machine learning as well. So for us, the environment is Jupyter Notebook and installing on Anaconda, and we need to use a text editor also. So I recommend you get the programmer's notepad. It's also a free software. And then you must have Microsoft, so you can do some Excel sheet. Do you have any questions so far?
No.
Okay, so the resources, we were going to use this for learning Python. There is
I have a question. Sorry.
Yes.
So right now I downloaded that Anaconda thing, but do I have to download Programmer's Notepad now? Because I haven't downloaded that yet.
No, you don't need to do that. I will send you an email, and you
Okay.
can do that later. And then so the PY4E is short for Python for Everyone. So this professor from Michigan, University of Michigan, they put some courses for the beginners, put some courses on the Coursera, and he also have more extensive ones that you can learn everything about Python on the on from this website. So this is a very good resource. And then as I said last time, this data 6, data 8 is a Stanford data science courses. So we will basically use all those 3. So now I'm going to stop my sharing because I want to see your environment. So Ibrahim, can you share your Computer, let me see your Anaconda. We'll do some exercise. Okay.
Can you see it?
Yeah, but you are not sharing. You need to minimize the teams because we're seeing ourselves here. Yeah. Click open. I'm seeing myself on the main screen. Yes. So
What happened?
yeah, I saw it.
Let me open it up again.
Oh, this is Excel sheet.
Is
Close
this
that window. No, this is the like a backend running thing. Go to your Anaconda. Open it. Yeah. So it is opening right now. Just wait.
I don't know why it's opening this like
Yeah, it has
many
some.
times, so many times.
It's like it has some problems. Okay, turn it off. Stop sharing. Maybe you can do some troubleshooting by turning off everything else because
Okay, let me leave the meeting.
yeah. Ryan, can you show me what you installed?
Yeah. How do I do that?
Share your screen.
Okay. Um. I don't see any. I don't see
Oh,
how.
there is a share on your Teams app, right?
Okay, I see it.
Next to the leave. Yes. Yeah, so this is so you can see the Jupyter is here and there are multiple other things.
Yeah.
IP Y is something else and you have yeah a lot of things. You have R Studio here too. R is another software that I just said. So if you now click launch Jupyter,
Yeah, I did. Oh,
did you do that?
this here.
Yeah, can you click launch? You have 6.52 version.
Wait, let me 1 second. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, that's good. So yeah, let's so this the Jupyter run as see there's a maybe just let's wait for Ibrahim to get on. Yeah. You can stop share. You can stop sharing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try and join Anaconda again.
Okay, share your screen because I think multiple windows it's just they're initiating things. You will need to have multiple windows. Oh, my Jupyter is 6.4 and you guys have 6.5. Okay.
Yeah, it just shows this like
It's
the
okay.
back end.
Yeah. They're initiating. Yeah, see here it says initiating. Yeah. So there are two ways to launch Jupyter. One is go to Anaconda through this process. Yeah, it should come out adding features. Okay, you got it. All right, so why not expand this window?
It is already expanded.
No, the inner window is so small. This is a navigator. So just now browse the softwares that they have. So you have Jupyter Notebook, you have Jupyter Lab, and then you have the first line. The first line.
The first one?
Line, yeah. So you see the Jupyter Lab and the Jupyter. Oh no, we are not to click that. Okay. And then there is this Qt console. It's called IP. It's a console for Python, running Python program. And down here, the last one is R. Did you see R? R is RStudio. It's another language for data analysis. Okay. So now click the Jupyter Lab, click the notebook. What is your version? Yeah, your version 6. No, click the notebook.
Where's
Notebook is the one next to the Jupyter Lab.
this one?
No,
Oh,
yeah. So remember the symbol here. And you also need to notice in the computer science, when you create some program, you need to have a good name as well. So here, the Jupyter. Okay, so you initiated this too. Okay, good. Stop here. So now we need to go next. So can you tell me what is on the address line of this page when we open? Do you see anything that is interesting, that is kind of different with? Why do you click that? I didn't ask you to click that. I just say stop here. And I want you to see what is in the address line for this page. This show up as a web page instead of a computer app interface, right? So what is there?
yeah.
What is there? Can you?
Localhost 888 tree.
Localhost semicolon 4a/tree. So if you are attending last time we did the web app development course, we were talking about the URL address. So if you click www blah 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 .org, it goes to an outside internet, goes through internet to request a page from some machine on the server somewhere, right?
Yeah.
So here it's localhost, means you are using the way to looking at one specific like directory on your computer, but then they made a virtual server, web server, so you can see your whole you can see a portion of your computer as a web page. So now if we want to do something with Python, we need to create, so all this Anaconda context documents, so document that is representing, you have a document on your computer, right? And you have OneDrive if you have. So all this is actually the one, it is your, I think it's under your C disk. So now go to your Explorer for the folder. Keep this page on. Go to the, yeah, click that. Yeah. And click C desk, C, not this, C. Where is your C? Not desktop. Go down, this PC. Go down. This is desktop, this PC, yes. And click C, yeah. See what? You didn't see the same thing here, right? Because this is the root level of the
computer.
C computer Windows. So now click user. And then click Ibra, your own folder. So now you see you have similar things here, right? You have favorite, you have links, something that is a hidden file, go up, move it up. You have some file that had dot in front. Those are not going to be shown here. Okay.
So,
So
you can use the Anaconda to see it?
no, this is a Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook use your own computer as their file system. Anaconda is a platform which has a lot of software apps on it. You can install a separate Jupyter Notebook, but just install Anaconda is the best because it has R has a lot of things in it. Okay, if I don't use Anaconda, I might install a Jupyter Notebook and then I install another Jupyter. No, I install another Python. And I install another R on my computer. I can install all those separately, but Anaconda, you just install one Anaconda, you have everything. So now I'm trying to explain to you that you are going to see when Jupyter Notebook function as a local host server, you actually seeing your folders under your users, like almost like your root folder directory. Okay, and those first few are not showing because they are I don't know what kind of folder they are, but they are not a functional folder. So here our folders are functional folder. So for us, one very good habit for being programmer or for being any data scientist is to keep things organized, keep things documented. So you always can find what you want to find. You don't want to you have like file all over the place and you don't know where they are. And especially your file Jupyter Note file is a specific file. So now what you can do is that there are two ways of you need to create a separate file for folder to keep all your Jupyter Note coding projects in there. Okay.
So like
this
here?
is yeah,
or
you can
just...
create it here or you can use the Jupyter Note. So now let's try. So wait a second. So Ryan, you have that page on? Do you have that page on? Okay, good.
Yeah.
So Ibrahim, let's do a folder here. Yeah, create a new, yeah, name it like Python scripts. Okay. And then go to your page, localhost page. Leave it there. Go to your localhost page.
Like just back to desktop?
Localhost page from Jupyter Notebook. You have two windows open now. Yes. Click, it's not here. Oh, it's here. You see it. Great.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now you see the corresponding of this localhost is and your folder directory. Okay. So now you can stop share. I ask Orion to share.
Okay.
There is another way to create a folder. Okay. So on this, can you figure out how to create the new folder?
New?
Yes, click that. And there are multiple things to create. You don't create the new notebook, you create a new folder. Okay. Yes. And then where is your new folder? Untitled. Yeah, and you click it and then you put your, and then you can click that name. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, I think you need to click it. Trying to figure out how to change the name of this folder. I think there is a way. Can you? Yeah, you cannot.
Yeah.
Wait. Let me see. New folder. Okay, let me do my on my end. Okay. So because this shows at the web page, that's why if you have multiple windows open, you will go to your Chrome or your any web browser to find your Jupyter Notebook. Okay. All right. So now let me try how to change the Python scripts. Okay. Well, let me. Okay. So Ryan, can you stop share?
Yeah.
I will share. So, okay, now I'm going to start a new folder. Like, probably I need to start. Let's see. So now I start a new test. Oh no. Okay. Okay. So let's do that. Let me see. So here has a log, has a quit, all corresponded with you also will have like you also have this command window open. So whatever you do here is corresponding in here. So if you want to change, there's a lot of ways to change the new directory. Let me just ask, how do I change folder name in Jupyter Notebook? So you do have a rename thing to do it. Let's go back. Oh, here. So here you have a checkbook. Click here to rename. So here you can rename.
All right.
Can you? Yeah. Can you do both of you, Ibrahim and Ryan? Can you do that and change the name to data science?
Okay, let me try.
The name of the scripts?
No. Now in the script, you need to create a new folder.
Okay, so put
okay. So Ryan, you need to change your scripts, your untitled new folder into Python scripts.
Oh.
And then in Python scripts, you create another folder called data science. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't delete it. Let's see. Delete. Yes. The directory might be empty. Okay, what does it mean? I delete this. I cannot delete it. Let me see if I have anything. Oh, I have this. I see. I have to delete it. And then I go to the folder. Script on top. So this is just like if you are doing like command line, all this can have a command line input on your on your computer to tell computer to do it. But the Jupyter Notebook, as we said last time, it was the Stanford university they created for people who are not as computer science, who doesn't know how to use command line to talk to the computer, to create an environment that we can use it for search, for teaching and learning.
So I don't
That's
know
right.
exactly what to do. So do you want me to delete the data science thing I just created and then?
No. Can you show me? Okay, I stopped sharing. Can you share your screen and I will see what you are doing?
All right. Okay. I have this.
Yes. Oh, you have, oh, no. So you need to change the data science rename it into Jupyter scripts. Yeah,
Jupyter scripts.
yes.
Okay. And then
Open that one, Jupyter scripts. It must be somewhere down. Yeah, and then create a new folder called data science.
this folder.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, data
All
science.
right. Got it.
Okay, so now we can do something from the last time. I have a new Jupyter Note that I will. Okay, I will save it and I will upload to the computer. I will give you a link and you will download that one into your data science folder. Okay. So that is the Jupyter Notebook that on my computer. So we can do that all together. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Just 1 sec. Sorry for the. Oh, in your Jupyter Notebook, in your data science, please create another folder called data.
In the Jupyter scripts folder.
In your data science folder.
Oh. Data.
Done.
Yeah. Okay, I'm sending you a link. Can somebody turn on, share the computer? Maybe Ibrahim, you can share the computer. Let me give you a link. I don't know if you can, yeah. Share your computer. I have a link on the chat. Yes, so download this file. Download this file.
Okay.
Can you download? Yes. Download it and put it in your Python scripts. Yes. Yes, that is. Oh, no, you put it in the data science, sorry. Yeah, in the same direction with data. Yes.
Okay, let me go to downloads.
I requested access. That's not really working.
Because Ibrahim is maybe doing things. Okay, he did. Okay, now Ibrahim, you can go to your Jupyter Notebook interface. Do you know how to go to your Jupyter Notebook interface? Click the Chrome.
Yeah.
It's not there.
It's this one, right?
Click the Chrome. Chrome, yes. And go to your, you are now created another one. See, is it, you created another one? Yes.
Yeah.
So you can close this one because every time you click one, you create a new, okay. So now go to the data science folder, and you should see this, click it. Yeah, okay, good, stop here. Now let Ryan to share his computer. Don't do anything yet.
Sure.
Okay. Oh, request send. Why is that? Can you do it again? Because Ibrahim didn't need any request. And I share with whoever have a link can access. Interesting. Share request. Requesting access. No. You, okay, so can you redo that? Can you do that again? Just let me see. You are requesting to be editor. I'm not going to let you to be editor. I only let you to do the commenter. Okay, can you do the click that link again, Ryan? You click link and it shows this. You need access? Okay. Let me see what I can do. Commenter, share. Sorry, the administrator. Oh, I see. You should not use your, you should use your personal Gmail. Ryan. You cannot use your school email to access this. So when you click that line, do you have your personal Gmail, Ryan? Use your that one. Yeah, that is your personal email. Yeah. Okay, download that and do the same thing as Ibrahim.
What do I do exactly?
Just open it. And then we will do the same thing. Open.
I can't.
Click.
It
Wait.
doesn't.
Oh, you can download it. You can download it. Can you download it? Click the 3 dots on the side.
Oh.
Yeah, there is a download. Okay, good.
Okay.
After you download, put it in your data science folder under the Jupyter script. Yeah, and then open it as Ibrahim did.
Right.
And now, after you did that, so always go to your Chrome to find the. So if you notice, there's a little thing like this, like a book, right? So this is the server that you're running. While you are doing each thing, you have a backend computing that is running on the CPU. You give the computer some order statement, and then they replay you back the outcome. So now we come to here, and then what we want to do, we want to clear all the output. So we come to the kernel and we do restart and clear output. Okay, I did that. Oh, another thing is, it will be a very interesting thing to do. So why not someone share? Okay, Ibrahim, you share your screen, and I will tell you what to do.
Okay, what should I do?
Did you clear everything?
Like other tabs? Do you want me to do that?
Yeah, you can do the first tab and see what's happening. Everybody's computer may be different.
Wait, I'm not sure what you want me to do.
Oh, one sec. Okay, so can you share your Jupyter interface, Jupyter Notebook interface instead of me? Not this one. Where do you find the Jupyter Notebook interface? Yes, click that one with a little book there. That is your
It's
exact
already
name.
open.
Yes. I want you to go there and click the kernel I just showed you. Can you just listen? Now you open the two. You already opened one. Now you have two if you look at your browser. Yes, just keep one on because if you open two, both of them will be running. Okay, click that, go to that page. And you need to delete all the answers, outputs. There's ins and there is outs, right? Ins is input and out is output. So I showed you multiple times of how to clear the output. How did I do it? Go to the kernel, and yeah, restart and clear output. Yes, do it. All right. Okay, so now see all this those numbers are gone.
All the information is gone.
Okay, so now you go to the first block. Ryan, you will do the same thing while Ibrahim is doing. Go to the first block. Go to the first block means put your mouse in the first block anywhere inside.
Here?
Yes. Is your mouse in?
Yes.
Okay, now click run. There is a run on the top. Oh, you can do that too. But I think I never did that. Okay, so there's no problem. So this, you already run. You don't need to run again. If the number here showing, did you see next to the in brackets, there's a number showing after you click that little play button? No, go to the first block still. Did you notice? I'm asking you, Ibrahim.
I don't see any number. I think I need I don't
No. It is there. You just didn't see it. I apologize
Where
for
is
me
it?
to shouting. It's just on the left side of the block, there is this in, and there's number showing. If you look at the other blocks, what's the difference from there?
There's no numbers.
Yes. So in a computer, everything, you have to pay attention to everything that is on your screen. Everything has a meaning there. It's all designed by human. They don't do things that has no meaning. It's like you read a paper, even a comma is a paragraph, everything, you have to read it. Yes, you can quickly skim, but in computer, you cannot quickly skim.
Mine has numbers on all of them for some reason.
Yes, because first of all, you have to do the kernel and to clear all the outputs. Did you see that Ibrahim did? Yeah. Go to the kernel and restart and do the clear the output.
Yeah, so it's like this.
Yeah.
And then this.
You can do it again.
Below restart.
Yeah.
Restart.
All right, thanks.
And then click the first block. Click run. So you have two ways to run. There is a play button next to this in and the semicolon. and you have a wrong on top. So both can work. Do not click anything else. Kernel means the computer central, the virtual central CPU for this piece of program that you are running on this Jupyter Notebook. Do you understand? You can interrupt, you can restart. If you restart, everything be lost. We don't do that now. Ibrahim, can you move your mouse? Can you click somewhere else? Just make that kernel drop-down menu. Okay. So now click the next one, read the table. Click this block, run this block, see what happened.
There's a
Yeah, there is, that means they're running. So what is the mistake arrow here? Can you see the last line? Go last line. What is the arrow?
no such file or directory, data/California CSV.
Yes. Indeed, you don't have that file in your directory. Okay. So, and they have produced all these arrow messages because they are trying to run, go up, go up, go up. They are trying to run this very simple, I'm using a PD, very simple code, very single package. The PD is in the first block, there is import pandas as PD. So in that package, you have a lot of lines to complete this function called read CSV. That's why we can do this. So this is a scripting language. It's not a computer language to write in the to talk to a computer directly. Like the direct language is in the package. So since you don't have that file in your pay attention to the language here. Within these brackets, what did I put? I put data and then slash the file name, right? Did we just did we just create the folder called data?
Yeah.
So this command tell the computer to go to, so I don't have anything before data because this data is just under this environment. See, the Jupyter Notebook and the data, they are under the same directory. So you don't need to say anything. You just say, I go to the same directory, I find the data folder, and then I find this file. So now please go to the same link to download, and there is a data folder I created, and then go into the data folder and download the file from there, and then run it again.
Shall I click?
Okay, yeah. Ibrahim, you can stop now. Ryan can share. Just share with me and let me see what you are doing. Ryan, are you sharing?
He is sharing.
Oh, okay. So see what is the arrow here? Name PD is not defined. Why is that? A PD go up to your page. Because you didn't run this import. You have to run those import packages. Run it. And then, can you run it? Just run this whole block. Click the run button on the top. No, yeah, there's this little run. Yes, click it. Good. So now you don't have any problems, right? So now you click the second. So now you run. See that number becomes 2 because this is second run code. So now you go to the read the table. Click that one, that block, next block. If you click, no, click the same one, the number 1. You can rerun it again. Put your mouse, yeah, run. And you should see the same, same arrow. Go same arrow as Ibrahim's arrow. It said towards the end, it said arrow, no such file or directory. Okay, so now go to the link and download the file and copy it into your data folder. Go to that link. No, the Google Drive link, not this link. Google Drive link. Oh, maybe I should put yes. See, there is a data. Click that data and go to find that file. No, click that data folder and open it. This is a folder. Yeah, I think in the future we'll have to sit in one place, in one room. This is too slow. Can you open the folder, Ryan? You should be able to open the folder. Just click, yeah. And then download this file. And put it into No, you should go to your file directory for your computer. Minimize the whole browser. Minimize the whole browser. Yes. Did you already download this file, Ryan? Ryan, can you unmute yourself? I cannot hear you.
Oh, I thought I was unmuted.
So minimize this whole browser. We're now going to totally different interface. Minimize this. You need to go to the directory of your computer. Do you know how to get there? When you need to find a file from your computer?
You go to Explorer.
Yes, go to your Explorer. What computer are you using?
Windows.
Okay, yeah, so minimize this.
I have Explorer open. I don't know if you can see it.
I can't see it. I don't know why. Yeah.
Will I have it open?
So why you can't see it?
I don't know.
Okay, so now can you save this file that you downloaded into the exact data file that we just created, data folder that we just created some time ago?
Yeah.
Did you do that?
Yep.
Okay, now go to your code, Jupyter Notebook, that interface. There is a little on the top of your, yes.
Okay.
Okay, run this code again. Run this block of code again. Wait. Yeah, it's still okay. Ibrahim, can you show me yours? I don't think you put it in the right folder probably because they cannot find this file.
Oh, well, I thought I put it in the right folder.
No. Ibrahim, can you run it again? Did you put it in the right folder?
I think I did.
Okay, run this one again. Read the table again. No. Okay, I know what's the problem. When you run the code, you need to put your mouse inside that coding block. Can you go up to run the same code again? The code that you had a mistake. Yes.
This one.
Run it again. No, Ibrahim, you didn't put it in the right. Okay, show me your Explorer. Show me your files. Data, click data, click data. The file is not in there. That's why. Where did you download that file?
Yeah, is it this one?
No. Okay. Let me share with you. Where this folder supposed to be? So I just shared with you this folder, right? And you go to this data folder, subfolder to download this CSV file. This is a data file.
Oh,
and then you
I didn't
download
see
the
that data
CSV file.
like the first
Yeah.
time I saw it.
Okay, because I just
Oh.
created and I just told Ryan to do that. So basically, when I talk to Ryan what he does, Ibrahim, you need to repeat what he does. And Ryan the same. When I tell Ibrahim what Ibrahim is doing, Ryan, you do the same. Is that
Okay,
clear?
let me put
Okay.
it in then.
Okay, so you should put it in I have a different file. I have different ones than yours. Let me see. Where is my thing? Yeah, I need to, I think you guys need to sit together with me. You are constantly being distracted. This will not really work. Data science, data. So this is the Excel sheet, the CSV file that we should have, okay? So Ibrahim, can you show me your screen? Do you have that file in your folder?
Yeah, I do now.
Share it. I want to see what is on your computer. Because everybody's computer is very different environment.
Okay,
So
data.
yes, good. That's good. So now go to your Jupyter Notebook interface. Yes, and run that code again. Okay, now you got it. So when there is no output, and can you don't move it? Can you don't move, go up? We still focus on this one. So this one you have a number out because this is simply just asked to read into your memory to do the next step. Therefore, there is no output. Okay. Now
Okay.
click next block and then run the next block. The next blocks meaning saying head, I want to show the first 15 records in this table. Yes, you got it. Okay, stop here. Now, Ryan, did you get that? Can you show me your interface? Yeah, Ryan, you muted yourself, so I can't hear. Go to share. Okay, I think from next time, I'm going to book a room in the library and we will meet in the library and bring all our computer and we sit
That
together.
sounds like a good idea because it's
Yeah.
like hard to coordinate.
Understand. It's hard to understand what I'm saying, right?
Yeah, and then
Yes.
more people can actually show up because do you know what I'm saying?
What?
I feel like more people would actually show up if we like Danny and I feel like
Oh, I
Danny
don't
would
know
show
about
up if
that.
we
Danny never had time to come.
Okay. Well,
Okay, Ryan, can you show
I
your
support that idea.
yeah, can you show your screen? And Danny probably understand a little bit better. I think he had some background. I don't know yet, but yeah.
Yeah, so I added the CVS file, the California,
CSV, yes.
yes, CSV file. Yeah.
And then run this, read the table, this one again, and see what we
Yeah.
have now. You still have mistakes.
I don't
Let's
know.
go.
I did exactly
No, I think there is something wrong. Go down. Go to the lower and last line. Let me see. Let me see what's the error message. Error says that no such file. So you
but
didn't put that into the file. So you
but I
need to
put it
show
into
me.
data. I put it into data. Let me try to show the
Okay, show me. One thing you can do is show me the Jupyter's directory. So there is a Jupyter Notebook sign right next to your Jupyter Notebook. Yeah, go
this.
there. Yeah, there is one. Yes, and then click the Jupyter scripts. Click the Jupyter scripts, that folder, and the data science. Oh, okay. So did you see the problem now? Your Jupyter scripts. Okay. Go to the Jupyter scripts. you need to move this lesson 1 into the data science.
Into data
Yeah,
science.
you have to go to the same folder.
Okay.
That's why it cannot find it. I can have another solution to do this to do this one as well, but
Okay. I did this. All right. Now
and
I have.
and you should not create a brackets 1 in there. Yeah, but anyway, now you open this one. Yeah. Okay. So can you do the kernel again?
Okay.
Starting from beginning. Yeah, clear output. Yep. Yes, now output, and then you didn't do it.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, it's not because of that. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so do this. Yeah. No, you need to run from the beginning. You have to import a lot of package first to enable. Yes. Okay, and then do read the CSV block.
This.
From this one, yeah. Okay, good. Now you don't have a problem. And now you click the third block to see read the head 15 rows in
All
there.
right. All right.
Okay. Okay, now can you go to your Jupyter the directory again? So you need to data science. Okay, go to Jupyter scripts. See if you have. Okay, you need to delete this one because this one is delete this. Yeah, delete this one. Delete. Okay, and then go to the data science. And then rename the name of this file. Just rename it. Rename. Can you rename? Oh, you cannot rename. Okay, just go to the Jupyter Notebook interface. There's a little book there on your browser. Yeah. Okay, click the right on the name or click the top. On the top, there is lesson 1, DS6. Just put your browser in behind the brackets. Yeah, you can change the file name there. Double click, yes.
What?
Just delete that brackets 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yes.
All right.
So why do we do that? We want to keep all of us in sync. So in the computer, running computer, most problem, I'm not a computer scientist background. When I started doing some coding, the most difficult thing is for me to figure out where the file is, because some program have their default root file directory that they didn't give you any introduction. So it's very hard for me to figure out that, but rest of it is simple. So, and they don't teach that in the school. They teach you computer. I think they probably teach you when you have a lab to do those work by finding where the file is. But it's very, very important that you know where your file is and to keep your file name consistent, because the file name, sometimes you need to use one file from another file when you build a package. You actually import Python code into your another program. So another program can use a part of a program that is written in a separate Python code. They use the file names to recognize that codes. And it's important to not create a lot of problems. It is very important to create a good file name so that the computer will not break down the computer. So there is a danger if you put a brackets that is a special character into the file name. Some computer, when you try to utilize it for the future programming purposes, it may break and you never know where's the problem. Okay. And in fact, we have this lesson 1-ds6 file. We should not create even a space in between. For some Linux or old computers, if you have a space, it will create a problem. But Jupyter Python is easy, so you can do that. Okay. So actually we did today, we did lab, we didn't do any teaching. I think that is for today. Next time we will continue doing this, but we will start with watching somebody's video on like give you a general understanding of what is Python programming. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.